What's going on, guys? This is Serwan. Today I'm going to show you some of Apple's best Cydia tweak for iPhone, iPad and iPod Touch running iOS 6. This month I'm using iPad, not iPhone, because I lost jailbreak on my previous one. To be honest, I got a new one from Apple Store as I had some problems from its camera and they gave me another one. Bear in mind, all the tweaks that I'm showing you are running on all iOS 6 devices, but there are like 3 of them only running on iPad, but I'm going to mention them as I explain them later on in this video. Let's begin. The first tweak is MountainCenter. It's kind of old, but it's fantastic. It's OS 10 mountain lion notification experience. It's a nice tweak. Look, we usually access to notification center by dragging our finger from top to bottom, but with this tweak you can access to notification center by dragging your finger from right to left like this. It's a great experience. If you use Mac, you can tell how beautiful it is. Then you can change some options here on settings. It's up to you. The second tweak is Emblem. It also only works on iPad. Again, it's OS 10 notification experience, as I will show you now. We usually get notifications. When we get a new notification, it appears somewhere on the top of the screen. But with this new tweak, it appears on the right hand side. I think you got it. It's like this. When you get a new notification. Here, it's the first one here. Also, the third tweak is only work on iPad as well. It's Camera Tweak HD. It brings some powerful functions to your iPad camera, as I show you now. You have like exposure option, you have got the zoom option, also white balance here, and in option you have got some other features like grids, ratio, section and square. The fourth one is App Stereo, I suppose. It manages your notification in a better way, as I'll show you right now. When you access to notification, and then when you tap and hold on one of them, it gives like some reminder option. You can set the reminder to in 5 minutes. Also, when you remind one of them, you can again tap and hold on the same notification, and you can bring it to lock screen as well, like by tapping on a lock screen. Go to your lock screen, it's here. And the only problem is this option, like this reminder option, doesn't work on MountainCenter tweak. That's why I bring back the older one. The fifth one is FullScroll. It's a brand new experience of scrolling. Look, when you scroll on your iOS 6 devices, this title won't dismiss, but with this option it dismisses. Look, you can see as much as you like from the page. I think you got the idea. The sixth one is iMessage Unlimited Media Ascent. There is a lack of feature in iMessage because you can't send any video longer than 3.5 minutes. But with this tweak, you can send any videos or any medias more than 3.5 minutes. It's a fantastic tweak, and I have tried before. It works perfectly. The seventh one is MiniPlayer. Have you seen this one here? This is MiniPlayer. It's just like the latest version of iTunes' Mini Control. It's a fantastic tweak, and as I'm going to show you some examples now. When you go to Music app, let's say playing one of the idols' music. Okay, so it's with you everywhere you go. You are going to Snapchat, for example. It's here. You can access to MiniPlayer, pause it, or next to like this. So you have got some options like the name of the song. It's a fantastic tweak, so you can change the position wherever you like. And the last one is QuickShotPro. This one also work on all iOS 6 devices. You can take picture or photo or video without opening the app, only by double tapping on the camera icon here. Okay, just like this. Boom, that's all. These two photos. Also, if you want to take videos, you have to go to settings and change the options in settings. Okay, and yeah, that's all actually. I will put the name of each app somewhere on the screen, also in description below with the prices, so you can check the description below. And don't forget to watch other Mantis tweaks and apps, because I have demonstrated some great tweaks as well. So yeah, thank you for watching. Have a nice time. And in the search bar, type the name of the app that you want to remove.